Combustion fan motor only replacement. To remove the combustion fan motor, you must first remove the back grille. Loosen the 5 screws and lift up and pull the grille off. Find the 2 black wires on the capacitor and unplug from the combustion fan. Remove the screw holding the front of the left side cab and loosen the screw holding the bottom of the side cab in place. You can then lift off the side cab. Remove the ground wire for the combustion blower, being careful not to lose the star washer. With a hand driver, take out the 4 screws holding in the combustion blower motor. Remove the motor, being careful not to damage the blades. Replace the motor, and using a hand driver again, replace the 4 screws. Take your T20 bit and replace the ground wire and the star washer. Reconnect the 2 black wires to the capacitor and replace the back grille and the side cab.